Meet Corkcicle Lunchpod, compact, crush-proof, and stylishly sporty lunch bag. Keeps food cold for hours, like a penguin guarding your snacks. 16 oz capacity fits your favorite meal without squishing the good stuff. Food safe liner ensures your lunch stays fresh, not funky or questionable. Durable neoprene exterior, water resistant and ready for life's wild adventures. Easy to carry handle, feels like your lunch is getting VIP treatment. Interior pocket keeps your snacks organized. No more rogue granola bars. Stylish black design matches gym bags, briefcases, and even your mood. Hand washable for easy cleanup. Because spills happen, but stains don't have to. Perfect for work, travel, or hikes. It's your lunch's personal bodyguard. Reusable and eco-friendly. Corkcicle keeps your meals cool and conscience clear. Get the Lunchpod today. Your lunch deserves a cooler bag. I once packed sushi for lunch in a flimsy paper bag. By noon, it looked like a crime scene in my backpack. Ever tried explaining soy sauce stains to your boss? Not fun. Then I found the Corkcicle Lunchpod, my lunch savior in neoprene armor. It keeps food cold for hours, even during my marathon meetings. Its crush-proof design, my sushi stays intact no matter what. With a 16 oz capacity, it fits my meal and my snack stash. Durable, water-resistant, and stylish. It's like a gym bag for my lunch. The food-safe interior liner, perfect for picnics or post-workout snacks. Plus, it's easy to clean. No more mystery smells haunting my bag. So, whether you're hiking, working, or just hungry, Corkcicle's got you covered. Meet the Corkcicle Lunchpod, the lunch bag that's cooler than your lunch. Customer reviews, 4.2 out of 5 stars, no one. As advertised, the perfect size for my lunch, cell-made and easy to clean. 2, purchase to use for lunch. I don't have access to a refrigerator at work, and this lunchbox keeps my food at the perfect temperature all day. I also use for beach days, and same keeps my food cold and drinks cold all day as well.